Good morning, dear students. This is Akash, a mathematics teacher, and we are continuing our video classes in this situation for learning mathematics. Okay, in the previous videos, we completed our lesson 2. Okay, in this start our lesson 3, that is playing with numbers. Okay, now before going to the chapter, first let us make sure you are using your headphones and you have your books and notebooks ready with you. Okay, after that we will continue with our video. Now, what is the name of this chapter? It is playing with numbers. Playing with numbers means we will study about different forms, different characteristics of numbers in this chapter. Okay, now today we shall learn about factors and multiples. Already in previous classes you have studied about the multiplication. Okay, now factors and multiples is all related with the multiplication. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us continue with our chapters, factors and multiples. Now let us first learn about factors. Okay, suppose I write 6. Okay, how many ways 6 can be expressed? 6 can be written as 1 into 6. It can also be written as 2 into 3. Okay, so in these two ways 6 can be expressed. Now what numbers are used in 6? 1, 6, 2 and 3. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6. Suppose I have 20. 20 can be expressed as 1 into 20. Then it can be expressed as 2 into 10. In terms of 3 it cannot be expressed. In terms of 4 it can be expressed as 4 into 5. Okay. So in these three ways it can be expressed. Now what are the numbers used? 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. So the factors of 20 are 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. Now, while writing factors, we always write from the smaller number to the greater number. It means for our betterment. It means to understand better. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. These are the factors. Okay. Now, suppose I write 3. 3 can be expressed as 1 into 3. Is there any other way to express 3? No. So 3 has only two factors, that is 1 and 3. Okay. Suppose I write 5. It is only 1 and 1 into 5. It means the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 only. Okay. Suppose I write 36. 36 in how many ways 36 can be expressed? 1 into 36. Okay. 2 into 18. Okay. 3 into 12. 4 into 9. Then with 5 it cannot be expressed. Then it can be expressed 6 into 6. 7 it cannot be expressed. Then 8. Okay. 8 also cannot be expressed. 9. 9 into 4 we already written that. 4 into 9. Then 10. Okay. 10 means 10 there is nothing. Then 11 there is nothing. 12. 12 into 3. Okay. We already written that as 3 into 12. Now in the end we can write 36 into 1. Okay. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then 9, 12, 18 and 36. Remember, when we are calculating factor of any number, two factors are already there. It means those will be 1 and the same number, 1 and 36. Okay, you look at any examples. Okay, factor of 5 is 1 and 5. Factor of 3 is 1 and 3. Factor of 20 is 1 and 20. Factor of 6 is 1 and 6. So the common factors of any number. Okay, there is any number, then at least two factors will be there minimum. That is 1 and of the same number. It means suppose I write 15. Then there will be definitely two factors will be there, 1 and 15. Along with that there will be others 3 and 5. Okay, so this is factors. Now what is multiples? Okay, suppose I write 3. We can write 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so we can write in this way. So multiples of 3 are what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and so on. Okay, now multiples of 4 will be 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16, 4 into 5 20. These will be the multiples of 4. So there will be infinite number of multiples of a number. Okay, suppose there is 12. What are the multiples? 12 into 1 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24, 12 into 3 is 36, 12 into 4 is 48 and so on. Okay, so like this way multiples are there. Okay, now multiples means there will be a minimum the same number, the same number. Suppose we are calculating multiples of 12, then 12 will be a multiple of 12. 4 will be multiple of a 4. 3 will be multiple of 4 of 3. Okay, so every number is a multiple of its own number. Okay, now one and the same number will be the factor of same number. Okay, so these are the difference between factor and multiples. Always remember. Okay, we'll discuss in the next part. Okay, always remember every factor is less than equal to the number. Okay, factor means suppose I write suppose for an example, suppose I write 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 2 3 6. Okay, all the look at all the factors. All the factors are either smaller than 6, okay, or equal to 6. Okay, the maximum the highest factor a number can have is the same number. Suppose we have 20, the highest factor of 20 is 20. Okay, the highest factor of 30 is 30. Okay, so every factor will be less than or equal to the number. Okay, suppose we have 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. So look, all the numbers are smaller than 15 or equal to 15. Okay, now every multiple is greater than or equal to the number. Suppose for an example 3, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so every multiple is greater than or equal to the number. Okay, so this is one of the most basic characteristic of factors and multiples. Okay, you must differentiate between the factor and multiple. Okay, sometimes people get confused, but you don't get confused. Factor means what are the numbers that constitute the number. Okay, means 6. What are the numbers? 1 2 3 and 6. And multiples means when different numbers are multiplied, what are the result? Means 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, all these are the multiples of a number. Okay, now we have to say another thing. Okay, every number is multiple of its factor. Okay, every number is multiple of its factor. Now suppose for an example we take 20. What are the factors of 20? 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. Okay, now these are the basic factors. Okay, now we can express the 20 in terms of factors. How 20 can be represented? If we take 1 into 20, it can be represented. 2 into 10 can be represented as 4 into 5. Okay, so every number is a multiple of its own number. Suppose I write 16. Okay, what are the factors of 16? 1 2 4 8 and 16. Okay, 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now 16 can be expressed as 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. Okay, so every number is multiple of its factors. It means every number can be expressed as multiple of its factors. It means when factors are multiplied, the number we get the number. Okay, this is the basic thing. Okay, so this is the concept of factors and multiples. Okay, so from this your homework is you have to do the exercise 3.1. It is very easy there. Although even if after this there is some doubt, then I will be there to clear your doubts. Okay. so you attempt the exercise 3.1, and when we proceed with the video, okay, when we proceed with the further videos, we'll study more about the factors and multiples. Okay, so for now your homework is exercise 3.1. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Till then, stay home, stay happy, stay safe. We'll meet in another video. Enjoy your learning. Thank you.